Hello and welcome to Getting to Know Zenario. This video will show you the very basic functions of our content management system, or CMS for short. So let's begin by looking at this simple site. The first thing to notice is that this is a responsive site. This means that when you change the size of the window, like this, the layout of the page will also change. This means that this website is also ideal to view on a tablet or mobile phone. To be able to start editing a website, you must first log in. If this is the first time you are logging in, you must enter your web address followed by admin, as shown here. A login box will appear where you can enter your login information. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the website's homepage. Notice the toolbar at the top. It consists of four main admin modes. Navigate. In this mode you are able to go between pages and links such as a visitor would. Menu. This mode allows you to edit the menu node text and work with the navigation hierarchy. Edit. This allows you to start editing the page you are currently viewing. And finally, Layout. Here you can view the layout that is used on the page and also configure any plugins that are used on it. Take a look at this text-heavy page. We want to be able to edit this to make it shorter and add some new text in it. Simply click on the Edit tab and you'll see that a red box appears around the text we can edit. Next, hover over the box with your mouse and click on the pencil icon. A box will appear telling you the slot name and what type of plugin it is, as well as the editing options. Click on Edit Contents. At this stage it will ask you to create a draft version so as not to interfere with the live site. Click Yes. Notice the toolbar that appears. Highlight the area of text you want to delete and delete it. Then click where you want to add the text and type. When done, you can either save or abandon the changes you have made by clicking over here. In order to change a page's layout, which enables you to add in extra slots and therefore plugins, click on the Layout tab, then click Edit Layout. This opens GridMaker that enables you to rearrange the slots. Click on Slot View and scroll down to the main content area. Click the plus sign and then add a slot. Notice the new slot has now been added. Click Save and then close the window. In order to see the new slot, you need to click on Show Empty Slots. Scroll down the page and you'll see that it now appears. Now we have made our empty slot on the page, we can now populate it with a plugin. For this example we are going to add another wysiwyg, which is a simple text-based editor like the slot above. So click on the plus icon and select Insert a wireframe plugin. This box represents all of the available wireframe plugins we can choose. More can be initialized if needed. Select wysiwyg Editor and click Insert. To check the right plugin is inserted, click the box icon to see a basic description. Now go to Edit mode and the icon on the slot will change to the pencil again. Click and choose Edit Contents and add your desired text. Click Save and you're all done. To view the menu operations, click on the Menu tab. From here you are able to edit the menu node text and work with the navigation hierarchy. For example, you can change the text of the menu history by simply clicking on the text itself. Here you can see the menu hierarchy. The menu nodes on the far left are top level menus. Slightly to the right is level 2 and so on. To change the title of this menu, click on Menu Node Properties. We're going to change this one to About Us. click Save and Close. You'll see that the text has now changed to About Us. Now let's create a new menu under this called About Us 2. Just click on the wand icon below About Us. Fill in the browser title, which is also the name of the menu node text. Note this also creates a new HTML page. It now appears under the About Us section. Now let's reorder the menus in the hierarchy. We are to take About Us 2 from under the About Us section and move it to the same level in the hierarchy. To view this hierarchy, click Organise Menu. Then drag About Us 2 in line and below Annual Accounts. Save it and you'll see it has now moved positions. To view it as a user would, click on the Navigate tab. The Zenario CMS name for your website's backend is the organizer. From here, an authorized administrator can edit and control the site contents, as well as elements like any documents you may wish to have for download and the users and administrators for the site. So let's take a look. Once logged in and on the home page, simply click on the Organizer tab in the top left corner. Once in Organizer, you can get back to the front end by clicking either the home page button or the button next to it, which remembers the last few pages that you've been editing. You will then see this list of the site's content items or pages by default. Notice the green and orange icons. These represent the published, published with drafts, and draft pages of the site. You can filter them using these buttons. In the next few columns, you can see the page name or tag, a description box, the layout each content item uses, and the name and level of the menu node it has. You can change the fields that are shown by clicking the glasses icon. You can also create a new content item using this Create button. The main way to navigate around the organizer is using the admin toolbar on the left hand side of the page. I am currently on the Content Items view. A description of what each menu does can be found here, with the sub-levels below that. Note that the list of icons will change for every site depending on the functions and modules that have been installed. The main ones are Content Items, which we are on. Menu, which shows you the menu node hierarchy, mentioned earlier, in the back-end view. Users and Contacts shows you the various users that can log in or have signed up for, say, a newsletter. You can also change the administrators and their privileges on this mode as well. On the Layout menu, you can see all of the layouts that have been created and how many pages use each one. You can also create new layouts on this screen as well. And finally, under the hood is where you can configure the main settings for your site, as well as creating backups and enabling and disabling it from public view. Thank you for watching Getting to Know Zenario. If you would like more information, please visit the address on your screen now.